Welcome to Market Math. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the product that is changing how students learn numeracy and mathematics. Market Math is a hands-on KaiBot add-on designed for kindergarten to 3rd grade students. It uses a game-like learning structure to teach mathematics, logic, and basic coding concepts. At Kai's Education, we understand the value of coding in a technology-driven world. Market Math supports early numeracy while introducing coding principles, helping young learners build strong foundational skills and a lasting interest in both coding and mathematics. Now that you know what Market Math is, let's explore how to use the platform to drastically change teaching mathematics in your classroom. Before we get started, it's worth noting that Kai's Education offers a dedicated learning portal. With any KaiBot or Classroom Pack purchase, educators and parents gain access to over 100 free, curriculum-aligned lesson plans. Each plan includes a link to our lesson index, which clearly outlines the relevant standards. The portal includes lesson plans tailored specifically for Market Math. To access the plans, visit learn.kaiseducation.com and filter by KaiBot, and then Market Math. First-time users will need to create an account before being able to access any lesson plans. Before we begin, let's take a look at everything Market Math comes with. One magnetic game board, using our incredible KaiTile technology, one pack of activity cards with screen-free math and coding challenges, and one storybook. Something else you'll need for this product is the app. The Market Math app is free and can be downloaded on both Android and iOS. The last thing you'll need for this product, which doesn't come in the box, is your KaiBot and a pack of screen-free coding cards. All products mentioned in this video will be linked in the video description below. If you're introducing Market Math to your students for the first time, we recommend starting with the screen-free lesson plans. Unplugged coding is an effective way to teach foundational logic and coding concepts without the use of a device. For this demo, we'll follow the first Market Math lesson from the portal. Each lesson connects to a chapter in the included storybook, helping students link mathematical learning to the narrative. To begin, gather all required materials. Each mat supports up to 4 students, encouraging collaboration and teamwork. Skills we believe are essential for early learning. Once set up, we can flick to the page in the book that connects to the lesson plan. You can complete the warm-up activities as laid out in the lesson plan before starting the activities. The way the lessons are laid out is like this. Students will complete the activity on 2 activity cards, and then code KaiBot to drive to those 2 destinations on the mat. And then finally, to the checkout at the end of the mat. It's a journey of taking Marshy shopping, where each activity is teaching your students something new about mathematics. In this first example, we complete the equations on the back of the activity cards. We recommend you have a whiteboard or worksheets for your students to figure out their equations. Once our activity card is complete, we can grab our KaiBot and our coding cards. First, we'll locate the preserved food stand on the mat, and then use KaiBot's intuitive screen-free coding cards to program its path. These cards teach sequencing and logic through real-world coding principles without the need for a device. Our next activity card is the vegetable stand. Once this is completed, KaiBot will drive there next. Now that we've completed both of our activity cards, let's drive to the supermarket checkout to finish the sequence. Your students will experience a strong sense of achievement when they successfully complete their first coding sequence. There are plenty more lessons for you to teach than just this one, and of course, we recommend that you try and create your own for your students. If you're a parent, or want to use Market Math while still teaching with a device, you can download the Market Math app for Android and iOS. Available on tablets and iPads, Market Math offers a gamified way to reinforce key concepts. In the game, students join Marshy on a grocery shopping adventure, with KaiBot and Marshy working together both digitally and physically to complete their mission. Market Math is changing how young minds are learning mathematics all over the world and boosting classroom and even home learning engagement. If you've watched this video and you're still on the fence about getting Market Math for your classroom or school, then visit our website and book a free demo to learn more about Market Math or any other Kai's Education product. We cannot wait to hear more stories about how KaiBot is changing the way our young minds are learning all over the globe. Thank you for watching.